I see you smiling from miles away. You're the girl who makes me feel this way. The way you're shining on a rainy day, make the world a little better place. You got that sparkle in your eyes, making all the other guys stop and stare, but you'll be moving on. Baby, every time we touch.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another wig review, and this time this wig is coming from Lumiere Hair. And as you can see, this is the packaging. It also came, as you saw, via FedEx, and I got it in about 2 to 3 business days. So they did send some wig caps, which I absolutely love because it's the same complexion as me, so that was awesome. And they did send 2 little hair ties, which is really cute. I think they sent them like this for the holidays because they just remind me of candy canes, which is, again, really cute. So this is the wig. It came in the plastic packaging. I believe this is a Brazilian body wave, and it's also a 360. So if you want to put it up in a ponytail, you can. And yeah, I totally forgot that I ordered a 360, so I was really happy about that. I don't know, it's something about the 360 wigs that is just so secure. You really don't have to do much as far as adhering it to your head or anything like that. So this particular wig does not have combs in the front, but it was weird because it has 3 combs in the back and it does have adjustable straps. So it was okay because it kind of worked out. I still didn't have to adhere this wig to my head. So again, it did work out. So in the next clip, you guys are going to see me with it on my head.
Baby, every time we touch, makes my heartbeat wanna rush. Can't believe that I'm the lucky one. You make me feel like a king every time that we're together.
So off camera, I did go ahead and cut the lace, but once I put it on my head, I realized there was just a little bit more lace on there. So that's what you guys saw me doing. So here I am just looking at it, trying to see which side I want to put my part on. And I don't know if you guys can tell from my face, but I love this hair. Like, it just falls into place, and I know, you know, when you put on a wig, you just know it's going to be it. Like, you don't have to do much to it, and all you got to do is just brush it out, style it up, and you're out the door. Well, this is that wig, and everything that I'm doing on camera, you guys, is all I did to the wig. So as you can see, I went ahead with this little side part. So now I'm just going to go in with my Irresistible Me curling wand just to flatten out the space a little more. You guys have seen me do this a million times, and it just makes the parting space look a lot more realistic. And of course, I'm going to go in with my powder foundation just to make it look even more realistic.
Makes my heartbeat wanna rush. Can't believe that I'm the lucky one. Hey, all night I want some of that. All night I want some of that repetition. Ooh, girl, you know you got no competition. Just be yourself, baby. Your only mission. 'Cause you're the one in a million. So don't ever never ever stop. So don't ever stop. Never ever stop. One in a million.
So that's pretty much it, you guys. Again, this is from Lumiere Hair, and if you're interested in this wig, all of the links will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know what you think about this wig. I absolutely love it. No issues, no shedding, no tangling, or anything like that. So yeah. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the wig, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Baby, every time we touch, makes my heartbeat wanna rush. Can't believe that I'm the lucky one. You make me feel like a king every time that we're together. My love keeps getting stronger. I feel can make this moment